Hello, thank you for taking a closer look at Tribal Wellness Movement. We've created an incredible program with a global community of health coaches, from nutritionists, yogis, naturopaths, chiropractors, exercise physiologists, medical doctors, as well as everyday wellness warriors. Mums on a mission from all over the world.
Think of it like having a health retreat at your fingertips in the comfort of your own home. What I love about the program is that it meets everyone where they're at. It's designed to bridge the gap between what we are doing and what we know we should be doing every single day.
So whether your goals are increasing energy and vitality for your family, or weight loss, shedding those few unwanted kilos, it might be reducing stress and building your immune system, improving your digestive health or balancing your hormones, or just gaining a better understanding how to create a happy, healthy life. This program is tailored to help you make consistent, sustainable, healthy upgrades.
The Tribal Wellness Movement covers all aspects of wellbeing. So whether it's yoga, mindset, workouts, you can either do at a gym or right there in your living room, eating guides, recipes, and whole food nutritionals for radiant skin or healthy lifestyle hacks. Our program's holistic approach has got you covered.
And the great thing about it is you will have your own mentor to show you how to get the most out of your journey and keep you on track. All this for less than a cup of coffee a day. We have programs to suit all budgets. So make today the day you say yes to creating the vitality, the energy, the body and mindset you desire and you deserve.
So connect back with the person who shared this link with you, or fill in the form below and one of our team will connect with you to see how we can help you realize your health goals. We look forward to seeing you being part of the thousands of families already saying yes to their health and realizing their greatest health potential in our online wellness community.